I'm Katie Buell, and I would like to welcome you to Pine Terrace, where our goal is to create fully devoted followers of Christ. Now, check out this week's announcements.
Hey church family, Membership 101 is happening today at 5 o'clock, and it's not too late for you to join. This is your chance to find your next steps at Pine Terrace. We encourage all of our guests and new members to come to the multipurpose room for a free meal and conversations with each member of the Pine Terrace staff. We'll share what we believe and discuss how we can minister to you and your family. You can sign up to attend on the church website at ptbc.org or just come at 5 o'clock to the multipurpose room for Membership 101.
Church family, I'd like to personally invite you to a special time of fun, food, and fellowship at the Blackwater Bash. This is an awesome opportunity for us to reach out. So let's be intentional about inviting friends, family, and people from our community to the Riverwalk in downtown from 4 to 7 Sunday, September 25th. More information is available on our Facebook page at PTBC Life.
I'd like to invite all of our preschool and children's ministry leaders and teachers and those who are interested in serving to Leadership 226 and find out how we're connecting kids to Christ here at Pine Terrace. Hear the vision of our children's ministry and get some training and ideas of how to reach children in our classrooms and in our community, as we certainly can't fulfill God's heart for children without you.
Don't forget, we provide loving childcare and worship services for your children ages 3 through 5th grade. For more information, be sure to follow us on social media and visit our website at ptbc.org. That's This Week at Pine Terrace.